Alright guys, so this has been a long video in the making. Basically what you guys just saw were the time lapses of us tearing down this wall and that wall over there. Since then, it's all been mudded. You know what that is. This has been installed, this nice wood 2x10, something like that, all around. Pony wall looks nice. Shiplap on the inside. Floors still need to be done. I don't know when we're gonna do those. Maybe next year. TV is over there. Couch, lounge, recliner. Also, you can see the walls have been painted. I'm trying to get out my shadow, but that's a gray if you can't tell, and that's a white. It's difficult to show on camera, but the walls are definitely gray. And the walls are gray. Ceiling is white. Fixtures need to get updated soon. This is how this is looking. We got a little glass top table there. You got your kitchen table, big plant, sliding glass door, hearth, brick, whatever. Looking nice. Mom decorated that. The fridge. Hallway was also painted. Looking nice. Yeah, so this is just the update from the time lapses. So what you guys just saw were the time lapses, and now you're seeing not final product, but updated, I would say. Definitely a lot of progress has been done, and my parents are liking the house a lot more, which is always awesome. I also love the house. My idea was the pony wall. Definitely I'm gonna take that credit. But the house has been so much nicer with the wall down, and very excited. Floors will be the next. You guys will see that in the vlog, most likely whenever we do that next year or this year or whenever.